Hey, what's up everybody? Real quick here. One of the most important things we talk about when evaluating an investment is their moat, right? So what is a moat? Think back to medieval times when you had a castle and you had that strip of water all the way around the castle. And what does a moat do? It keeps the enemies out, right? You put alligators in there, you put all kinds of crazy things in there, and it's a protective barrier that keeps the enemies out. When it comes to investing, companies have moats, right? So what is it that you're selling? How easy is it to replicate? Can someone spin up a competing product, sell it for half price and steal all your customers? That means you don't have a very good moat. Do you build physical things like data centers or rocket ships or self-driving cars and you own the entire supply chain and none of your competitors can spin up a competing supply chain fast enough to matter? That's a pretty big moat. Well, today there was some very important news that came out and it really highlights the importance of moats, okay? So Anthropic, Openai, okay? Number one, number two, top three of AI companies, right? Anthropic has Claude, Openai has ChatGPT. They both filed IPOs to go public. They're going public this year, potentially at $1 trillion-ish valuation, okay? They make very good AI platforms. They use them for coding, all kinds of stuff. $1 trillion valuation, and they're very expensive to use, especially Claude, okay? Cursor, a competitor, was just purchased by SpaceX today for $60 billion. And when you look at all the benchmarks, Cursor's 2.5 product scores at or slightly above or just below Opus 4.8, Codex 5.5, which is ChatGPT, OpenAI's version. Opus 4.8 is Anthropic, right? Scores right or at below. And SpaceX bought them for 94% cheaper than these companies are going public at. So think about that for a second, okay? The value of the same exact software, this AI product, was just purchased at 94% off, okay? And the cost of the product to use it, the tokens, are like 10 times cheaper than using Opus 4.8. Moat, guys. Here's a product that I can use for 1/10 of the cost that just got purchased for 6% of your value. Think about that when these companies go public and decide if that moat is strong enough to put your hard-earned money in. Just a little food for thought today. Take it easy, guys.